do look kind of like 70s vibe with the big hair today.
Yeah, you look like John Lennon.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody. We are going to go do one of my favorite Christmas traditions, which is going to pick up a fresh Christmas tree from a U-pick. And this is like, so we go way out in the country on the Kingston Peninsula, take a ferry, and then there's a wagon, and it's just such an authentic Christmas experience, like right out of the Griswolds movie. It's a really good Christmas movie. So we're gonna go and do our favorite Christmas tradition. Are you excited?
So excited.
Isn't it?
So beautiful. We are driving into our U-pick on the Kingston Peninsula.
Ready? Life is just a little better on the farm. Cool, thank you. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, yeah, look at that. Thank you. Thank you. And I think we found our tree this year already. Julane, you ready? Let's go. Let's get the axe and we're going to cut this one down. This one's perfect.
Probably a reason.
So we are now responsible for finding our tree. This is part of the experience of the U-pick, is you have to actually pick a tree and cut it down. This is really nice. We had the wagon to ourselves on the way out, which was kind of cool.
Had some cider while we were waiting.
Had some cider while we were waiting, and I got the drone to follow, and some really cool drone shots as we were coming out this way. So now we just need to find a tree that's going to be suitable for Christmas. That's going to be our tree of the year. Our Christmas tree. Merry Christmas. Everybody, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas tree. The tree has been picked. Now for the actual picking, we need to pick it out of the ground. Tempted just to swing at it with an axe, but we're gonna go at it with this saw here. Not the straightest cut, but that's okay. Glad it's done though. It's too funny, eh? Alright, here it is. Right on, thank you. Life is just a little better on the farm. Tree!
Tree!
Tree! That one's good.